Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. Stampin' Sue Creates here, and I'm here to do a little Chalk Talk unboxing. As many of you know, I signed up to be a designer with Couture. And I know, aren't you already a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator? Well, yes I am. But I saw this opportunity, and I thought, I just got to get in on it. It's just so much fun. Couture is a company that actually just celebrated their first year anniversary, so they're a new company. So I really saw a lot of potential for growth, not only being a designer, but also being a team leader. So I currently have two gals that signed up with me, kind of unexpected. I really wasn't looking for it, but I just want to offer the opportunity to everyone out there. If you're looking for something to add a little bit of income, Couture might be just what you need. Right now we have a brand new catalog that just came out, and I'm waiting to get mine. So as soon as I do, I'll do a catalog walkthrough. But if you can't wait, you can head on over to stampinsuecreates.chalkcouture.com. You can view the entire catalog online. They're a little bit different from Stampin' Up! In that they don't actually have printed catalogs. They do it mostly online, but I heard from the convention this year that they're actually giving each designer their own hard copy of the catalog. So otherwise I'd have to go online and print it all off. So I just felt it was worth waiting to get the actual catalog from them. But go ahead on over to my online store, and if there's something that you see you want to create, you'll want to either A, check with me and see if I already have it. Maybe we can gather a few friends together and have ourselves a little party. Or if you want me to create something for you. Now, I do have a Facebook page. It's called Stampin' Sue Creates Chalk Talk. And on there, I'm posting pictures of some items I have made. Right now, I kind of started with the old used saws. And the hand saws, that's right. That I am putting the chalk designs on, and I'll tell you, they are so popular. Everyone loves them, but I'm slowly adding photos of the things I've been making because my house is getting overcome by creative projects that I've just been having so much fun, including mugs, frames, decorative pieces, the hand chalk saws, and just so many fun things. And now our new holiday catalog is going to be coming out, I believe, in September. But this is a new catalog that I have some items to share with you that are holiday related, but I hear what's coming is going to be even more. But they're kind of giving us a little taste of some of the things. So, I mean, this box is so big. I mean, it's almost as big. There's my stamp table here. I had to actually clean up my stamp room to kind of make a little room, but then decided, well, I'm just going to move my chalk products downstairs in my dining room, kind of arrange them there. And then this up here will be my stamping space. And I actually have room that I can have a guest come over and stamp with me. So that might be something upcoming. But anyhow, on to Couture. I'll try not to bang into. All I did was try to hold this open. I may have to remove the products and go that way. But there's a lot of packaged air in here. They really pack the products really well. But I'm super excited. Just taking a peek. Sorry, can't resist. I mean, I really don't think I needed this big box, but it's really protected. So all I did was cut the tape. I'm taking all this out. And actually, this will be a great box for all of my created items. Well, that's something you don't need to see my receipt. But it's a lot of fun. So let's take a look. You know what? Let me take these items out. Let me put this on the floor. I mean, it's just so big. So big. Okay, watch. I got all the animals up here with me. Everybody is super excited. When Mom gets something in the mail, everybody's excited to see. Oh yeah, that's a huge box. I'm going to put that right over there. Excuse me. And out of the way for now. All right. Let me move some things aside. They put lots of stiff cardboard in there. And actually, I'm thinking I can do my chalk paint on here and make a sign on that. I mean, everything I see anymore, I'm like, oh, I can chalk that. I can chalk that. And I can chalk that. And here we are. All right. We'll move all of this out of the way. Lots of cardboard. So if I don't use it there, I'll recycle. And I don't even remember what I ordered. Let me fix this because you don't want to see me in my my nightgown. Yes. It's, what time is it? 6:30, and I'm already in my nightgown, washing clothes and just getting myself settled in. So this is part 1 of the box. I believe another box is coming on Friday. So I'll have another unboxing for you. So look at this. This is a little canvas clutch. And did I fail to tell you that you can do Chalk Couture on anything? Whoop, my ceiling fan is on too, so if you hear that. Look at this cute, oh, here we go. Cute little clutch, canvas. It's very nice size. And now on fabrics, shirts, and things like that, you'll want to use the Chalkology ink on here, not the paste, the ink. And then you have to heat set it. So that's going to be real cute to make something out of it. Let's look at some of the colors I got. Now they really have these packaged well. I've had some problems in the past with the inks. I'm not going to open these up, but they packaged them really well. The new pastes that are coming out have an actual seal on them, so it will protect them from leaking. And I kind of got colors that look like, oh, sorry, you're not even seeing them, the glare. It's so bright in here. I love it, though. I have, let me see if I can read these through the plastic. I have lemon yellow. I have marigold. And I have bumblebee. So they kind of look like what? Sunflowers, maybe? Well, we'll see. So I got those. And then I got these. These are brand new. These are officially called our multi-tools, and I got 2 of them. They're good for mixing up your paste and your ink, and they also have this edge on here that you can scooch all around the jar to make sure any of the paste or anything that's stuck on the side will come out. And this is our boutique board and base. And let me just grab my scissors. My paper snips are over on the other desk where I'm preparing for my class on Friday, my sip and stamp class. Now, we also can do classes with the Chalk Couture as well. So here we are. We have this wooden base, and then this is a chalkboard, excuse me, and it slides in just like this. Or, sorry, I have paint on my hands. I was getting some things prepped for some mugs I'm making. Or you can put it in this way, and it stands up, and you can chalk on both sides. And this is a Chalk Couture little board, really inexpensive. This would be a great project if you wanted to give Chalk Couture a try. We can order some of those boards, and that would be great to try out. Okay, so speaking of boards, let's check out these boards. Now, this is a boutique board. It's 10 by 10, and of course it's square. And hello, there I am. And this is a chalkboard. It does have a piece of twine for hanging. So this, again, double-sided. And then I ordered the 10-inch round boutique boards. I got 2 of them because I am going to be teaching a class, an adult education class, come in September. And I wanted to give it a try, and yep, the transfer is in here, so you'll see what it is. Now, the class is only limited to 5 students, but if it's something that you would like to try, you know, we'll talk about that. So let me show you. Here's the transfer that we're going to be using, and I'm hoping that, yeah, I think we'll be able to fit this on here. Oh, I feel a sneeze. excuse me. I believe this will fit here. We can always trim this, but we're going to use this transfer in All Things Give Thanks, and it's actually going to be for Thanksgiving. And I could always change it. We can always do it on the square one if need be, but I like the round one. And so this is a transfer called Give Thanks. So I love that. Now in the class, you're going to receive one of the boards. You're going to receive a transfer, so you'll be able to take this home, and you can use these over and over again. And I will be bringing all the paste, and of course we are going to do a sample piece first for you to give it a try before you dig into that. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Now this one, remember those colors. Look at this beautiful sunflower, and is that what it's called? It's called You Are My Sunshine. My daughter has her kitchen all done in sunflowers, and I'm sure you're watching. So hello, Michelle, and look, I got the sunflower one. And look at You Are My Sunshine. And here's the sunflower done in 3 different parts, and I mean, this is big. So she's talking about doing this maybe in her kitchen on her walls and things. But I think she was kind of inviting me to bring my transfers and all my supplies, because you can use the chalk on the wall. When you get tired of it, you wash it right off because it's washable. So there is that one. I'm excited about that. And then, of course, holidays are coming, right? So look at this cute one. These will be so cute on mugs or coasters. And this is called Halloween Fun. Look at that little spider. Now, these lines are that you can cut them apart. Okay, so you'll cut them apart, and you can use them individually. But how cute are they? And then, of course, we can't forget Christmas. So I thought this is super cute. You can fill in how many days until Christmas. Make yourself a board and decorate it all up. And here's a little string that the ornaments can hang from. But my thought was this is to create holiday cards. Because yes, you can use this on cardstock. So I can incorporate my Stampin' Up! Business with my Couture business. So how fun. I'm so excited. Can you tell? Okay, and here's our final transfer for today. How stinking cute are these? These are called mini holiday icons. And if you remember the camping ones that I had a little while ago, these are like those. So again, you cut them all apart. So if you want to have a little get together with some friends, I'll bring some little Couture discs, and we can use these on there. You can make them into little coasters, and you can give it a try. But I have some coasters that I'm zhuzhing up from the Dollar Tree that I'm thinking maybe Christmas gifts. I think they would be so fabulous. Even if you put a set of 4 of them together and chalk on them, paint them, chalk on them. I mean, $4, you can't beat that for a gift. So that's what we got in our huge, massive box. Lots of Couture, and I'm so excited. And of course, there'll be videos coming, sharing with more things. I want to do a Facebook Live, so if you're interested in a Facebook Live, be sure to let me know down in the comments that you'd be interested in seeing me live, and you can ask questions, and I can answer them, and we can just talk all about it, see if it's something you want to give it a try or not, and I love it. I'm just having so much fun with it. So thank you so much for joining me. Be sure to head on over to my online store at stampandsuecreates.chalkcouture.com. Check out our online catalog. There's tons of samples on there too. If you click on a transfer, it will open up with a sample for each transfer with ideas that you can do. All right, everyone, have a super chalkin' night, and I'll see you all back here again real soon. Bye for now.